Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to see some of the home tools. It's very useful and very economical, but must have, I can say. First of its home tool, we are going to see the multiplier tool. So it is not only a multiplier tool, it is for everything, you can say simply. This is made of a durable aluminum alloy with PVC coated in the handles. It's giving a very comfortable grip and very good, sleek looking. This is perfect for cutting wires, trimming wires, stripping, winding wires, even the steel wires you can cut it, and also nails you can cut it, cables you can cut it. So what else you need? Besides that, you can loosen bolts and nuts as well. It's very simple to use, and whenever you are not in use, you can just lock it. It's a simple mechanism to lock there. For a price bracket of $10, it is one of the must-have product at every home, guys. The second one in the list, double head Torx spanner. It is 8 to 22 mm universal Torx wrench. This adjustable wrench is designed to fit Torx bolts from 8 mm to 22 mm. So it works a wide range of sizes, guys. Only two I purchased this one, but it will fit for all the sizes. It has a double head spanner, so we can go two sizes in one tool. It's saving a lot of space and giving you more flexibility for different jobs. The self-tightening feature grips tighter as you turn. It's making it perfect for loosening or tightening bolts without slipping. Durable makes it great for factory work, home repairs, and more. So this is the second in the list. Must-have tool at home. It comes under $5. It is worth the price. Third in our list, saw blade. This is 340 mm hand saw, garden saw. It's made of high quality steel, I can say, made for both durability and precision. The steel blade is strong and stays sharp, guys. Even you can cut it. Tried wooden tree also, and also it is good for small woodworks, artworks, things like that. The shaping wood is very good in this tool. The handle is very steady and very comfortable to hold, so it's giving you a good control and reducing the fatigue in the hand. It's under $2. The saw is fantastic tool for garden project, woodwork, and DIY home repairs. Can say it is a reliable addition to any toolkit. The next one is very interesting and must-have product for every home and homemakers. It is the 12 pieces side holes blind needles made of stainless steel. The standard feature of these needles is the side hole design. This is a game changer, definitely, I can say that, especially for those who struggle with traditional needles. You simply slide the thread through the side hole, which is a lot easier than trying to pass it through the tiny eye at the top to get stressful eyes. This design is perfect for elderly users or anyone have some small stitching of clothes now and then. These needles are something you need in your toolkit. In pack of 12, you have all the sizes and got plenty of usage with mending clothes, doing embroidery, or making custom jewelry pieces together. It is perfectly fits and it's not coming out as well. So it's quick, efficient, and stress free. The next needle is very strong, big, and made of stainless steel. Can handle heavy duty fabrics like denim or leather and even design your shoes as well. The sharp tip and thin body make it easy to pass through beads or smaller materials. So both needles are great solution for home use. They are must have products. If you are interested in picking these up for yourself, I will leave a link in the description below. Please check it out. Needle threaded. This is the fifth one. This comes with a 20 pieces pack or 10 pieces or 5 pieces or however you need it, you can order it. This is a different kind of threading to the needles. For the traditional needles, you can thread using this one very easily, very quickly. You are sewing by hand or with a machine. It is perfect for anyone who struggles with the tiny eye of the needle. With this threader, just insert the needle, loop the thread, and pull it through automatically. No more squinting or hassle. It's great for home sewing, DIY projects, and cross stitching. Spend less time threading and more time creating. So this cost the 20 pieces pack cost $2. It is a time saving tool, I can say. So this is one of the must have product for all the homemakers. Sixth one in our list, wall hooks. This is the strong transparent wall hooks. Yeah, must have for organizing your home. These wall mounted hooks are perfect for hanging keys, towels, bags, even kitchen tools. The transparent design fits easily with any decor, giving your space a clean modern look. They are super easy to install, just stick them on the wall and you are ready to go. No need for drilling or damaging surfaces. These strong multifunctional hooks can hold a variety of items, making them perfect for kitchen. Even a water bottle, you can hang it there. So it is useful for bathrooms, sideways, sitting rooms, wherever you want to hang up something. So it's good. $3 for 20 pieces. The hooks are simple and practical solution to help you organize your space effectively. Final one is a soft drinks dispenser. This soft drinks dispenser that got my attention because of its unique design. No batteries or no electricity is needed. Made of ABS food grade plastic, so it's safe for beverages. So how it works? Attach the dispenser to the bottle. Turn the bottle upside down. Pull the lever to dispense the drink. For our testing, this is performed worse than any device reviewed. What it was saying, if there is a gas, it will fall, it will fill the glasses automatically, but thing is, it's not like that. There is a lot of leakages. It is not firmly fit in this Coke bottle or any of the bottles, and it's a total waste put into dustbin. That's all, guys. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends, and also if you do subscribe, you will be happy. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next one.